obviously I need pizza. I have frozen pizza, a smaller size. I've not tried a larger pizza. I don't know if the brand matters, but that's the brand I can get where I live. The pizza comes in plastic, obviously. We have to take it out of the plastic. There's a gray cardboard microwave thingamajig. Since I don't have a functioning microwave, I have no use for that. I want all my pepperoni and cheese. Let's put it all on. Off to a good start. The trick is not to just heat it in the frying pan, but to use double panning. The big one goes directly on the burner and a smaller one goes inside. And that reduces the extent to which the pizza is in contact with intense heat. It mellows out the heat spreads throughout the pans, and you avoid hot spots. And that way the pizza will cook evenly. Of course, pepperoni's boring, so I add my own toppings. I love my pizzas loaded. Mushroom, there's olive, and I'd better use up that green pepper before it turns all orange. I don't have a real chopping board or anything, so I just chop it, holding it in my fingers like that. Pepper on there. And the mushrooms, I better rinse it just to make sure nothing gross on there. And the stems look kind of gross, so get rid of that. The flame on, not the lowest, but up a little bit just to get it warmed up faster. Now I turn it down to minimum. And we insert the pizza into that inner frying pan and put the big lid over it. It's not an airtight seal, obviously. It's going to leak steam and heat. But that's what I have. It's about 20 minutes. I started at 125, so it's 145 it should be done. During that time, I'm not just surfing the web or staring out the window. I'll sometimes rotate the pans as it's cooking, just to prevent hot spots from getting one side of the pizza and not enough heat on the other side, so swirl it around a bit. Looking good. Let's check it. This is about maybe 12 minutes in, 15. The cheese is starting to melt, but 5 minutes later, I don't know if it shows up that well in the video, but yeah, the cheese is a little bit more melty. I think maybe 3 minutes. Let's check the bottom. Yeah, toasty. Looking good, not burning. If I had just the one pan, it would burn. And it is done. Deliver the pizza to a plate, and those pans are hot and dangerous if I set them down and forget. So I pour water on to cool them off. They're still hot, but not as hot. Yeah, look at all that steam, that sizzling noise. Okay, now we quarter it. Cut, and cut it perpendicular, and the pizza is done. Suck on the spoon, and that is it. There's your pizza. Yummy. Roll credits.